Hi, and welcome to eSkooly tutorial series. I'm Adam, and in this video, I am going to show you how to get started with eSkooly. So, let's dig in. First of all, open your favorite browser and type eSkooly.com. Once the website opens, click on Sign Up Now button to create an account for your institute. It is fast, easy, and free. On the sign up page, enter your email address, choose a password, confirm your password, accept our terms, and click on the sign up button. Boom, congratulations, it's that easy. Now click on the Login to Dashboard button to access your dashboard. You will also receive an email from eSkooly about account confirmation and some useful details. Once you complete the sign up, you need to verify your email address. To verify your email address, click on the Verify Now link given in the dashboard. Open your email, and there you should receive an email from eSkooly to verify your account. Open it, and click on Verify button. Come back to your admin dashboard and refresh. You can see that your account is verified. Now you are ready to start managing your institute. Thanks for watching. For more information, kindly visit our knowledge base.